Here I have BLU Vivo 5 mini, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen, let's use apps icon. Here you need to scroll down in order to choose settings. From the following list you need to scroll down to select apps. Then use here more key in that corner and tap Reset App Preferences. So this will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default application for actions, background data restriction for maps, and any permission restrictions. What's really important, you will not lose any app data. So if you are aware of this, let's tap Reset Apps. And that's it, you just reset app preferences, so everything went well. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.